So here we have our single button circuit, right? Single button, we've already wired this up. One wire coming from a GPIO pin, the other wire going to ground. But what if I want to build like a game controller or something like that and use multiple buttons? How do I do that? Well, to add a second button, same deal, right? Make sure your legs are lined up, the little legs in the front and the legs in the back. And you know, you don't have to bridge the gap. You can do this, right? If you want to do some placement so that this might be go right and this might be go down. And then what we want to do to simplify all the wires running over, because you're going to run out of ground, is we're going to use the ground strip here. So we're going to plug ground into the blue strip here, and then I'm going to run my wires from my buttons into that blue ground strip, anywhere on that blue ground strip. Same deal here. I'm going to put that there and run this over to the ground strip, and then I've got to connect that button to a different GPIO pin, right? It's got to be a different pin so that in the code I can handle each button separately. My original pin was in 15. I'm going to put this one right next to it in 14. And that's all there is. And you can just keep repeating that, you know, running your ground wires to the blue row, running your red wires or whatever color wire you want to use into a different GPIO pin, and that's how you do multiple buttons.